1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Wichita, Kansas, for $16,500. This classic pony car is powered by a 289 V8 engine and has a Mustang 2 front suspension kit for better handling. Front disc brakes improve stopping power, and a newer radiator helps keep the engine cool. It sits on old-school Craigar wheels for a vintage look. The engine was disassembled and cleaned in 2015 and has only been driven about 8,000 miles since. Runs well, but could use some work, making it a great option for a weekend cruiser or light project. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1975) Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe, listed in Tuscumbia, Alabama, for $15,500. This restored classic has a rebuilt body with new trunk and floor pans, front and inner fenders, hood, and ballast. It runs a 350 cubic inch V8 with a 4-bolt main and a mild camshaft upgrade for extra performance. The car drives and stops well, but needs finishing touches inside, including a stereo, seat belts, and heater connections. A solid project for a muscle car fan, and the seller is open to trades for a vehicle of similar value. (1974) Chevrolet Nova, listed in Houston, Texas, for $8,500 or best offer. This Nova runs and drives excellent, powered by a strong 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a small cam, headers, and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor for better performance. It has electric fans to keep the engine cool and brand new tires for a smooth ride. The engine and transmission have only 50,000 miles. The seller has put a lot of money into the car but doesn't have time to finish it. It needs minor bodywork, but overall, it's a great project with plenty of upgrades already done. (1965) Chevrolet Malibu, listed in Springfield, Illinois, for $19,500. This 4-door classic has been professionally restored and upgraded with a fuel-injected LS motor and automatic transmission for modern performance and reliability. It features air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, lowered suspension, and shaved door handles for a custom look. The interior and trunk are fully customized. With only 1,600 miles since restoration, it runs great. 2 small paint chips are the only minor flaws. Seller is firm on price, no negotiations. (1964) Ford Falcon Futura, listed in Dawsonville, Georgia, for $18,500 or best offer. This classic is all original, featuring a 260 cubic inch V8 and a 2-speed 4-domatic automatic transmission. The air conditioning blows cold, all lights work, and the drum brakes stop straight. Recent maintenance includes a rebuilt carburetor, new tailpipes, a fresh battery, and an oil change. It runs and drives well with no major issues. A solid cruiser, and the seller is open to trades for another vehicle. (1963) Pontiac Grand Prix, listed in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, for $12,500. This classic coupe is powered by a 389 tri-power V8 engine with 3 2-barrel carburetors, delivering strong performance. The car is running great, making it a solid choice for a collector or someone looking for a vintage cruiser. As one of the early Grand Prix models, it has a timeless design and plenty of power. The seller is ready to make a deal with the first serious buyer, so don't wait too long on this one. (1965) Plymouth Satellite Convertible, listed in Mount Carmel, Tennessee for $16,000. This classic keeps its original paint, interior, and drivetrain, featuring a 318 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission. The body is solid with no rust, which is rare for a convertible of this era. The paint is faded with some scratches and dents, and the interior shows some wear, but remains in decent shape. It runs and drives great, with a recently replaced convertible top, plus new wheels and tires for a smooth ride. Seller is only accepting cash, no trades. (1967) Plymouth Fury III, listed in Pine Bluff, Arkansas, for $16,000. This classic has been in the same family since new and is being sold as is. It runs strong with its original 318 cubic inch V8 engine, now upgraded with a new 4-barrel intake manifold, high-performance carburetor, and breather. The brakes and power steering work well, and the transmission shifts smoothly. The interior has been recently reupholstered. Minor issues include a slight oil drip, non-working original radio, dash lights needing new bulbs, and some surface rust on the right side. A great vintage ride with solid mechanics. (1965) Oldsmobile 88, listed in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, for $5,500. This classic is powered by a 425 cubic inch V8, making it very strong and fast. It runs and drives great, with new tires, brakes, and shocks for a smooth and safe ride. All exterior and dash lights work properly. The seller is firm on the price and not interested in trades, cash only. A solid, powerful cruiser ready to hit the road. (1965) Ford Fairlane 500, listed in Parker, South Dakota for $4,990. This classic is powered by a 289 V8 engine with a rebuilt carburetor and a fresh dual exhaust. The automatic transmission has been rebuilt with a shift kit for better performance. Recent upgrades include new brakes, carpet heater core, flex plate, and U-joints. It's a fun car to drive, though the front wheels rub slightly when turning. Original hubcaps are in the trunk if the buyer prefers a stock look. Solid overall, with a clean title, ready for transfer.